All right, I wanted to walk through a few of these, actually just two of them in this video, but how to do this little solving systems of equations by elimination activity. So the directions are up here. Uh, the goal is to get 21 points. All right, for every problem that you solve in this column, the level 1 column, you get 1 point. In the second column, you get 2 points, and in the third column, you get 3 points. So at the end of the activity, you need to have accumulated exactly 21 points. All right. So all the problems in level 1 can be solved by addition, and all the problems in level 2 can be solved by subtraction. Let me go ahead and work one of these out with you. All right. So it's a system of equations where you're trying to find x and y. I'm going to take these two equations and I'm going to add the two equations so that it cancels out these y's. So notice here the coefficient's a positive 1 and a negative 1. So if I add these two equations, it'll cancel the y part out. Okay, x plus x will give me 2x. 4 plus negative 10 is negative 6. And then you'll divide by 2. So x is equal to negative 3. All right, so that's the first part. Now we have to take that negative 3 and plug it back in for x into either one of these equations so that we can solve for y. I'm going to use the top equation. So I'm going to say negative 3 plus y is equal to 4. And then you just need to add 3 to both sides. All right, so you need to show your work on like a separate piece of paper or something, so that way you can upload a photo. It'll be y equals 7. All right, and that's your answer for the first one. All right, if you want to write your answer like this, negative 3 comma 7 x, y, you could do that as well. Now, all of these should come out to nice answers, so if you're getting fractions at all, double check your work. Something went wrong. All right. Number 8 is a level 2 problem. And for this one, they're wanting us to solve it by subtraction. All right. Notice how the y coefficients are both a 1. They're the same sign. Right. So if I take these two equations and subtract them, doing the top equation minus the bottom equation, it's going to cancel out those y values. All right. X minus 4x is going to give me negative 3x. Again, the y values are just going to cancel. They give you 0. And then we're going to do negative 4 minus negative 16. This is the tricky part. This is where you might want to use a calculator or write it out. Negative 4 minus, that's that sign, negative 16. All right, that's going to turn into positive 12. Divide by negative 3, and you're going to get x equals negative 4. Once you have that, you need to plug this back into one of the equations and solve for y. Okay, I'm going to use that top equation again. So it's just going to be negative 4 plus y is equal to negative 4. And we can tell here the answer is just 0. You add 4 to both sides, and you're going to get y is equal to 0. Bam. Okay, that's it for this video. In the next one, I'll look at one of those level 3 problems.